Welcome back to Prepsaret. Today we are going to look at the principles or the laws of exponents. We are preparing ourselves to be in a position of simplifying exponents. In our previous video, we defined exponents, and we said that exponents are powers or indices. The exponents, as we said, are obtained when large numbers are expressed in power form. And I gave you examples in that. So I thought that in this video, we go through something very interesting on the first principle of operation of exponents. Look at what I have written for you here. This is our first principle or first law. And when we talk about principle, come law, we mean rule. So this is like a formula on how we shall be handling exponents of this nature. Now, when the bases are the same, remember our A is the base. So in this case, we have common base. So A power m or raised to m times A raised to n. That means when we have the common bases, whether the powers are similar or different, and between the bases is a multiplication, we shall get A and then we add the powers. So when the bases are common, when the bases are common bases, the exponents or the powers, the exponents or the powers are added. This is in a case of multiplication. So in multiplication, common bases raised to some given power times the same common base raised to a given power shall give us that common base. Powers are added. You can put the brackets or even assume that they are not there. Let us give an example. Simplify the exponents below. You can see we have this factor here, we have another one here, another one here, and another one here. So we also look at the powers or the exponents in each given base. How do we solve this one? So solution. We begin with the first bracket and we try to open that bracket, of course, with the second bracket. So in this case, all these have been multiplied by all these. So we can open the bracket and say 2 power 9 times 3 power 5 times 2 power 4 times 3 power 2. In this case, we will have those ones with common bases multiplied together. Like now we have 2 power 9 times 2 power 4. We are looking for what we call a common base. And also times 3 power 5, this one, by 3 power 2. Again, we are looking for a common base. When the bases are common and it is a multiplication, we have clearly said that you add the powers. So for the base 2, we shall have 2, 9 plus 4. Then what about for the base 3? we shall have 3, 5 plus 2. In this case, we shall have 2, 9 plus 4 is 13, times 3, 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is the simplified form of this problem. When the bases are common, we add the powers. That is the law we call the first law of simplification of exponents. Join me in the second law, which is coming shortly after this video.